I think I use this gel. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Okay.
Put your head on my shoulder. Hold me.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back. So, this was a very random video. I was literally downstairs washing my hair and I'm like, I think I should make a video. So, here I am. So, right now I have the Hello Hydration Herbal Essence. Like the very first video I've done on here is what I have in my hair. But I didn't wash the conditioner out because I want you guys to see what I've been talking about, because I always say, get this conditioner, but I never showed y'all what it does to my hair. So I'm showing you now. This is the conditioner in my hair. I haven't even used my brush yet to detangle, but ow, okay. I don't think I use any other conditioner that goes through my hair like this. Look. I haven't used a brush yet, so I'm just gonna start using this brush. Like, to be honest, I don't even have to section it. That's how good this conditioner is. I don't want to get this all over anything. And I don't really even have to start at the bottom. Like, usually with every other conditioner I use, I would have to start at the bottom and work my way up. Like, look at this. It looks like I washed the conditioner out, but it's in my hair. When it look like that, that means your hair love it. Ooh. Okay. Maybe I should put the towel around my neck. Duh. Okay. So I'm just gonna brush through. It may look like I'm like ripping my hair out, but I'm not. Let me see. Yeah, I'm not. Okay. As you guys see, this conditioner is bomb. It's really good. I can show you how much SHEA hair, because I haven't like tried to detangle my hair off camera. I did everything on camera, so everything that came on my hair is in this brush right now. So about to see what it is. Yeah. Cute. Okay, so using this conditioner and this brush, this is literally this shit I have. Here you go. Like, what? I'm about to go wash my hair, and I'm gonna show you guys the products I'm gonna use to style it, and I'm just gonna time lapse it from there and let you guys see what I do now to my hair. Oh my god, I didn't even say anything, but I'm pretty sure you already seen it. I don't know, but I don't even know if you guys noticed. Like, do you see something different? Hair color? I don't know. I'm dark. I like it better. So yeah, I'm about to go wash my hair now because honestly, it touching my neck, it feels gross. So I'm gonna go wash this out, and then I'm gonna be back, show you guys the products, and then we're gonna style it and do all that fun stuff. Okay, so it's all rinsed out. Conditioner is gone. I'm gonna show you guys how the new Hello Hydration look. This is the new one. I'm pretty sure it's the same products, same ingredients, recipe, however you want to say it. I don't know, but this is the new packaging that I've seen, and it still works like the old one. I love it. I'm just gonna actually pump a little bit more. I do that sometimes after I'm done conditioning. I feel like I washed most of it out just now, so I'm just gonna put some back in there. I know these two mix well, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of this. I should probably see before I do it, but I'm just gonna wing it, you know? So I'm just gonna rub this on my hair. I'm trying to really get it on my ends because I don't want them to be dry. Okay, that's that. Okay, so now for the new product that I haven't used yet. Oh, this is a leave-in conditioner, by the way. I'll let you see what it is. It's the shea butter, the mango shea butter ultra moisture leave-in conditioner. Love this stuff. Smells so good. For the new products that I haven't used before, this is not having it. It's supposed to be a detangler, but my hair is like literally detangled. It don't. Okay, that's a little kink right there, but you know, it's curls. It's gonna kink up. But it's detangled. Like, I really don't need this, but I wanted to get something new that I haven't tried. I'm just gonna put some more right here. Trying to make sure all of it is coated. Okay, the thing that we're gonna use to style our hair, is this Wetline Extreme. People go crazy for this gel. I don't. I think I use this gel. Oh, okay. Oh, damn. Huh. Okay. I had this gel before and I used it. To me, it kind of made my hair feel like dry. A little bit dry. If I'm remembering correctly, it made my hair feel dry, and I think when I stretched my hair, it was putting white stuff in my hair. But I'm gonna hope that I put thick enough products in my hair to help this gel out. But yeah, oh, you know what? It used to give me real crunchy, crispy wash and goes, which that's all right when you want it to last, but not when you have flakes. Dang, this is kind of making my eyes burn. Should I use this? Okay, whatever. We just gonna go for it, huh? We bought it. Yeah, I'm about to style it with the gel. I'm not gonna talk. I'm just gonna listen to music, do my hair, blow dry it, and we gonna be done. Okay, so back.
What we do here is go back. You crazy mother.
I'm not over exaggerating. I'm not at all. I'm actually mad at myself for saying I didn't like this gel. I used this probably like 2 years ago. I don't know what I used it with, but use it with this if you use it. These two are a match made in heaven. Obviously, my hair feels good. First of all, it's not crunchy, it's not stiff. Like, it's not stiff. It moves. It got movement in here, you know. It's good. And you know how when you do your wash and goes, you'll get like white flakes falling. Look at my hair, guys. There's frizz in there, but I don't mind frizz. That's mainly because I stretch my hair, or I use my blow dryer. Okay, so that's gonna be the end of this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you are staying safe and sanitized. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.